and happy Christmas Eve. I thought I would do this kind of impromptu video because I'm about to pack to go away for a week over Christmas, and I haven't planned anything that I'm packing, and I'm losing my voice. And so I thought I would take you into my wardrobe and I guess share the process of what outfits I'm gonna plan. I'm just gonna do like a little try on and see if I can create like a mini capsule wardrobe of things I can mix and match together that will give me a week's worth of outfits. Outfit repeating is not a big deal for me, so maybe like 5 outfits would be good. This is just going to be for like chilling, hanging out with family, not doing anything in particular. I'm going to Cornwall, so probably taking a couple of walks outside on the beach or things like that. So I need practical clothes, but I also want nice clothes. So okay, let's dig in and see what we can find. Okay, so I definitely want to take something like this. I know I brought this with me, I think last time I was down there, but this cardigan is just so cozy. Something like a skirt will be nice to wear with like a big chunky jumper and kind of like tights and boots if we went anywhere nice, or even just for lounging. Jeans, I'll probably need some jeans. Probably want this jumper, even though it's really fluffy. Maybe 2 jumpers, this one as well, I haven't worn a lot, so maybe the 2 of those. I'm gonna bring my navy coat, so we don't need this brown one. And then I have a couple of jumpers here. I have a knitted dress, that could be a nice option. This jumper is very cozy too. Also, some like polo neck tops also could be an option. Okay, let's try some things on. So this is just a really simple, easy outfit. I love wearing skinny jeans in the winter with like big chunky jumpers. Straight leg jeans I feel like are more like a summer thing when I wear more fitted tops. But when I want to wear a big chunky jumper, skinnies are my jam. Love these boots, can't believe I almost got rid of them. But yeah, these are just for kind of something a little bit more flashy than like my usual boots, like these ones. But these could look equally as good with just like a more, I guess they're more comfortable because they fit better. But this would be just like, you know, if we were popping out, I don't know, somewhere nice, or just today for like my travel outfit so I can feel a bit fancier. Yes, I love these boots. Okay, what else can we style with the jeans? I love this outfit as well, with the black polo neck and my cozy cardigan. Feels a little bit more chic than just like the cream jumper. So I probably bring this as well, and I could probably switch out the shoes at some point for something else. I might even wear this today as my travel outfit. Don't know, because yeah, because at least this is layerable. If the train's really warm or cold, I can like layer up and like, yeah, love this outfit anyway. It's definitely coming with me. These boots I don't wear a lot. They kind of tend to just come out in winter. And I'm also not crazy about that cuff. I don't like it. I'm very particular. I just think these boots are great because you can wear really thick socks to them. They're also real leather, so they're a bit warmer. And they're completely flat as well. So if I did need something more practical, these could be the way to go. So I might bring these and the burgundy boots, and then I have like a heel, and then I also have a black pair of completely flat boots. I might also throw in my leather trousers, or faux leather trousers, because they're the same fit as my usual straight leg jeans, but they're just something a little bit different. The only thing is to make sure which boots go with these, because they're straight leg, we'll have to see if they actually kind of fit with them. Okay, so I think both kind of work. So this one is like the casual option. If I wore this with like, I can also wear these with the cream jumper, which I'll try on in a minute. This is like a more chic option. I just put the trousers over the boots, but I don't know if I bend my heel. Yeah, I guess they work. I feel like Converse would be so much better with these trousers though, so maybe we should try something else. To be honest, I really like this as well, and I'm thinking I might just bring just my Converse and my burgundy boots. So we have a dressy shoe and a very casual shoe. And to be honest, my Converse are comfortable once I wear socks, like thickish socks with them. I'm not going to try them on though because I've got bare feet. Converse and bare feet just don't go. And I don't really have time because I'm actually technically supposed to be packing. I have like 2 hours before I need to go. So this is a win. Probably not with the polo neck underneath. I could, but I don't need to. So this is my dress option. I had thought about bringing this like black silk one that you've probably seen a few times. But like I said, I won't be doing anything dressy. So I actually just want to bring this kind of like ribbed, jersey, stretchy mini dress, which I've been really loving lately. Brought this back from Ireland as well from my other like storage winter wardrobe. Just with tights and these boots, I just love this look. And also it's just really comfy. I can eat loads on Christmas Day. And I think I might actually travel in this because it will be the most comfortable because there's no like tight waistbands or anything. And I will be sitting for like 4 hours on the train. So yeah, let me just see if I need anything else. I also like the look of this cardigan layered over it. It's really cute. I think I wore this to work recently. But it's a cute outfit, it's cozy, and I feel nice. I feel kind of feminine in it as well. So this would also look kind of cute with my Converse. So that's a win. And I could also throw a jumper over top and wear this as more of a skirt. So let's try it. I feel like I need like one wild card option where it's like, I didn't realise I'd have to get dressed up, but then I did, and now I have something. I like this skirt. It's not going to be one for just sitting around the house in, but like I said, I've got PJs. But I like it, and I like it with the long boot. And I've just thrown it over the black mini dress. I don't even need to, I can also wear it with the black polo neck. But I mean, this is the same look, and then it keeps me warm to like here. I can throw on a cardigan with it. I can layer up the cream jumper, just like laying everything out in front of me so I can see how much I'm packing. But yeah, I really like this. Maybe this will be my outfit for today because this feels even more dressy. So it's also one last thing to pack. So then I think I just need to pack, got a jumper, a cardigan, a long black polo neck, my full leather trousers, my skinny jeans, and then I think these boots and probably my Converse. I think I'm going to leave these two at home. And then I'm kind of thinking maybe I should have like one other jumper. I don't know why I feel like that. I just feel like, I don't know, it's good to be cozy. So I think this is the winner because it's red. And it's like the only red thing I have in my wardrobe right now. And it's cozy, it's really warm, it's got a really high polo neck. I think when we're walking around, it will keep me very warm. I also have a red scarf that I'm bringing, so it'll go with that. So this can pair with this skirt nicely. Can also tuck into my jeans and my leather trousers, and probably won't go under my cardigan, but that's okay. It's warm enough as it is. But yeah, I really like this. So I think they're my items. I'm going to pack them into the suitcase now. Hopefully it only takes up like half because I'm sharing with Andrew. And let's see what room we've got. Okay, I've had a quick change of mind, and instead of bringing this skirt, although it's cool and I'll wear it today, I don't think I'll need something dressy. And if I do need something dressy, I have my leather trousers. So I think I'm going to bring this jumpsuit instead because it'll layer really nicely over the black, sorry for the shaky camera, black polo neck with these boots. It's super like baggy and comfy and I love it so much, and I haven't worn in ages, and it's a perfect lounge around piece. And also, if I need to be dressy, this is kind of cute, especially with these boots. So this is coming instead. So that's my packing done. Using my little, so it just takes up half of the suitcase. So I think that's pretty good. I just need to throw my Converse probably into my own little suitcase, or maybe into this side. We've got lots of room. Now I need to pack Andrew's. I'm not going to bother filming that because I don't know what to pack from yet. I hope this has helped you, or just not necessarily helped you to plan your own outfits, but just kind of got you thinking about different combinations you can put together if you're traveling today to like go home or to go somewhere else for Christmas. Maybe it'll help you to like build your own little capsule so you don't have to pack too much. But yeah, I need to finish packing all my other bits that I need to bring, like books and things to entertain myself and presents, and I hope you all have a wonderful Christmas Eve and Christmas Day, and I'll speak to you very soon.